Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Hard Cards. In this episode, we will be opening a EX Delta Species booster pack. These cards have been out of print since 2005. I got this off of eBay, and I'm really hoping for one of the gold star cards. Let's open this up. I'm really hoping for one of those. Come on. Open this up. Hoping for the gold star Rayquaza, Groudon, or Kyogre. I don't know if I already said that. Alright, let's hope for it. Let's start this off. First card is a Ditto, an Eevee, a Potion Trainer, a Staryu, a Koffing, a Hollon Ruins, a Kakuna. I think the rare is right here. Rare. Oh no, that's not the rare. Well, that's a shiny. I think that's the reverse holo. And the rare is a energy. Terrible pack. That's okay. We tried. It's a really short video. Okay, thanks guys. Have a good day. Stop. No.